Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're just coming across this channel for the first time, this channel brings you DIY and everything about hair growth. If this sounds like what you will like, subscribe, like, and watch this video to the end. Okay, so I was going through the streets of Instagram and I came across this DIY. An Indian content creator was making DIY hair growth oil using this that you can see on your screen right now, onion peel, right? She was using onion peel to make hair growth potent oil. So Indian people are very good with all these hair growth oils and potions. I said to myself, why not bring it to my subscribers? So today I decided to make this video showing you guys how you can repurpose your onion peel that you throw away at home. We all throw away this onion peel, forgetting that this onion peel also has a benefit to our hair growth. From being loaded with fiber, onion peel contains flavonoids, antioxidant property, which aids in reducing inflammation and supporting cardiovascular health. Onion peel is as good as the onion itself. So let's learn how to repurpose this at home for faster and fuller hair growth. Into a saucepan, I pour my onion peel and then went in with some oils. I use olive oil and coconut oil in this, but you can use any oil that you have available to you. We are going to cook this on low heat for 10 minutes. Emphasis on low heat. Please do not let this sit on high heat. I will allow it to saute on low heat for 10 minutes. Remember, I said that before, to avoid getting burnt. So I'll keep stirring it. There are different ways to use your onion peel. If you do not want to make the oil, you can as well go on and infuse the water as a rinse, as a hair rinse. After washing your hair, you can use it to rinse your hair before you go in with your leave-in conditioner. If you have watched to this point, do well to subscribe to the channel. After 10 minutes, this is what it looks like now. It has cooked partially. So this is what we'll be looking at. If you notice that some of them are burnt, but some are still looking fresh, that is what we need. It has properly infused into the oil. So now we'll go in and strain our oil. You can see, if you look at this oil, you will notice that it has changed the color. The color of the oil has changed. So this will tell you that it has properly infused into the oil, and this oil is very potent. This oil will help you with hair loss, fight dandruff, strengthen the hair follicle, and also enhances new growth. If you have exceeding hairlines, apply this oil 2 or 3 times in a week, and within 1 or 2 months, you're going to notice a great difference because your hairline is going to come out. This is what we got after straining our oil. Everything I make on this channel, I use it for myself. So if you're having any battles with your hair, make this oil at home and start using it. I promise you are not going to regret it, because everything I make here, I also use it myself, and it has worked greatly for me. I will not come here and give you what does not work. I know this will work. So start using it. This oil can be used as a scalp oil. It can also be used as a sealant. It can equally be used for your hot oil treatment. Use this oil 2 or 3 times in a week for the maximum result. And for the duration, this oil can last you 3 months. And we have come to the end of this video. I hope to see you in another video. Do have a lovely day and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.